Today's little plant is called Pizza Pizzicato. It's a little miniature girl leaf. Mine looks like little clumps because they have not been groomed, and they could look a lot better. There's a little trick when you're growing little girl leaves, is that you need to remove some specific leaves on the underneath or in the middle of the plant to give some room for the new ones that will grow out to be able to spread. Now this one, it hasn't been groomed, so what's happening is the leaves are coming out from the center and they can't lie down, so they're all growing upwards in a clump. That's why these need not a lot of more care, but they just need to be groomed. So once upon a time, you have to come once in a while, you have to come by and look at what needs more space and remove a little something underneath. I'm not showing this one for the flowers because the flowers on here are almost finished and I didn't catch it on time. There are more coming out, so I'll be able to show you soon. But for now, I wanted to show the foliage because these will be available in the opening. And wanted to show you what they look like. Now the leaves are very small. If you do decide to purchase some, keep in mind that the leaves are not, they're big like my finger, and some are even smaller. This is really a true miniature. So the leaves will be very, very tiny. When you grow these, you have to think that you're, it's like growing a little bonsai. So I will be back to show you what it looks like in bloom. I really wanted to show you the foliage because I do have a few leaves that will be ready to go. And wanted to show you what it looks like in person, how big it is. Because some people like the little weirdos, and this is a little weirdo. Once it's installed, this one, they were in bloom not long ago before I started making the videos. I just didn't catch it. But once they get installed, they will bloom. The blooms go up high over the foliage. And they do come out quite a bit at the same time. So that was the little weirdo for today. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.